Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the lips in a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture and press on face down below. Now press on lips and here you can just edit the lips. You can swipe to the left or to the right to edit the smile first. You can also edit the lower lip, upper lip, width and height of the lips, but those options require premium subscription, so without having that, unfortunately, you cannot edit it for free. If you have it, you can of course press on them and you can edit those as well if you want to. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.